In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others in 2025. Setting up and managing your Google Calendar can really streamline your schedule, and being able to share it with others can make collaborative projects and plan coordination a breeze. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Google Calendar. Make your way over by opening your browser and typing Google Calendar in the search bar, then hit enter. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button on the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to either choose one of your Google accounts or enter your email address if it's not already listed. Once you've selected or filled in your email, type in your password. Don't forget to press next or the enter key to proceed. With access secured, it's time to select which calendar you'd like to share. Your primary calendar is listed on the left, but if you have multiple calendars, click on the one you intend to share. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots beside your chosen calendar. Clicking here brings up a drop-down menu where you'll find the Settings and Sharing option. Select that to move forward. In the Settings panel, you can customize your calendar as needed. Feel free to update details like its name or add a description if you haven't already. This is entirely up to you and how you want others to view your calendar. Once this is done, search for Add People in Groups. This feature lets you share your calendar with specific individuals or groups. Now, you'll need to provide the email address or name of the person you wish to share your calendar with. Once entered, it's important to set the appropriate permissions. These permissions control the level of access the other party will have to your calendar, ranging from seeing only free and busy slots to making changes and managing sharing. Be sure to think about what level of access works best for both parties. Once you have settled on permissions, click Send. The recipient will receive an invitation to join your shared calendar. To wrap things up on the sharing side, the person you added will need to check their email. They'll need to go to their Gmail inbox. This can be done by clicking on the Gmail app from the Apps menu, and locate the invitation email. Inside the email, there will be a button labeled Join Shared Calendar, which they'll need to click. After selecting this, a new window will appear with an Add button. By clicking Add, the calendar will sync, effectively granting them access. To ensure everything's synced correctly, both parties should verify the calendar's updates on their end. That's it. You've just shared your Google Calendar, enabling better collaboration and time management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes sharing your Google Calendar effortless. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others.